Hi there everyone, this is a quick update on my winter garden project. It's a warm day today. We had a frost last night. It was about 33 degrees I guess, and right now it's 70. But I just wanted to give you a quick look at where things are at. The arugula looks like it's coming good. And there's purple Mizuna, and there's all kinds of things in there. I think the Claytonia is a little slow, and the mash is a little slow there in the middle. Needs some water by the look of it, but everything's growing well, even the stuff around the sides. I've taken the I had the glass on top, but that was too hot. As you can see in here right now, it's 88, and it was over 90 when I came and rolled this up, rolled the plastic up. This is where the heat gets out, and as long as I remember to open this in the morning when I take the dog for a walk, then it lets a lot of heat out of here because of the shape of it. But there's a quick update. Everything's growing well. We've got the worst of our cold weather ahead of us, so this is just a beautiful day. 70 degrees today. Bright sunny day. Nearly no wind. And whether you can see, I'll zoom in. I started work on the field behind. Whoops. They're stripping soil. Won't stay still. They've already started stripping the soil off and ready to put services and things in, roads in, behind my house here. Pretty much all the way to the farm, which is over there behind the trees, the buildings. So I guess their plan is to actually build onto the back of us first. So I thought perhaps we'd get away with being the last to be developed, but no, they're building right behind us, right up to the fence. So the line of trees there at the back, that's my property line basically. Anyway, that's an update. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Hi, back again. I just thought I'd show this sorrel. It's gone through multiple frosts. I think since Thanksgiving Day we've had probably 8 or 10 white frosts, heavy white frosts. And this sorrel has gone through all of them with minimal damage. So if you want something that's relatively hardy through frosts anyway, this French sorrel is the ticket. It's got some edge damage, but it's a little limp. But you could still use it. It still would be good in salads, and would make sorrel soup, I guess. It's surprisingly hardy. I've had no protection on it whatsoever. And I have more tender greens in this cold frame. I still have some lettuce in here and some more chard, Swiss chard. So, and they've, even with the door open at night, and the one's opening right up now. But anyway, so this is my winter garden so far. I have some more sorrel in there too, but still got some fresh greens. These cold frames certainly are working. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.